First of all, we're gonna create a class named car. After that we make a constructor for the class with the brand of the car as a parameter in order to use it as a name for the car objects that we're going to create. I will use the Node.js to run the script in order to check any errors. Now we write a method that return a string saying, this is a, with the car name included. Now let's make an object named car1 from the car class, and let's give it the brand name Mercedes. We use console log to print a message in the console or the terminal, meaning giving an output for the user to see. Here we're gonna try to output the brand name of the car, in other words we're gonna print a message that shows the value of the car name property of the object car1. Let's create another class called Porsche that extends the class car. Extends means that we're gonna inherit methods and properties from the mother class car and add them to the subclass Porsche. We create a constructor for the new subclass and we add super. Super calls the constructor of the mother class car and adds it to the subclass so we won't have to repeat the same code again. I added a new property to the subclass Porsche named speed. I will add the parameter speed in the constructor method so we can specify the speed of the Porsche when creating a new object of the class. Let's create a new object P1 from the class Porsche. We'll give it the brand name Porsche and a speed of 320 km per hour. Now we're going to output the brand name of the new object P1. And the speed too. Let's add a new method called method2. This method takes an object of the class car as a parameter and returns a message saying, this is a with the brand name included. I added a new property in the mother class car called year. This property shows the year in which the car was made. I changed method2 so I can output the year of the car instead of the brand name. If you put an object as a parameter in console log, you'll get all the properties of that object with their values. I created a variable named output. This variable will get the result or the value returned by method2. Then I will put output in console log so I can view the result in the terminal. Now let's make a static method. A static method doesn't need an object to be used. It can be called directly from the class name. In other words, we don't need an instance of the class in order to run the method. The static method named sMethod will return a string saying, "Hello cars." Now let's call the sMethod in console log. You'll see that I used the class name car instead of an object name. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel for more minimalistic coding tutorials.